Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I am at the beautiful Dreams Playa Mujeres Golf and Spa Resort. This is one of my family's all-time favorites, and this is the top room category that they have here, and it is incredible. This is the Family Governor Suite, and at over 4,000 square feet, it's perfect for quite a few different scenarios. One, if you're having a wedding or an event and you just want to host people, this is perfect for that. Also being 2 full bedrooms, you have a multi-use space back there. We also have used this quite a bit for families who are staying a little bit longer and want to have more space and private space for every single member of the family. But check out this space, it's absolutely insane. Now, as soon as I walk in here to my left, you're gonna have an extra bathroom. So this is perfect if you're hosting friends, if you're having an event. This space is actually so large and it's designed perfectly that you can have a full private catered event in the room and the incredible terrace we're gonna show you in just a second. But now we're in the living room and it is once again absolutely massive. You got these 2 huge couches right here. I know I love to lay on the couch on vacation sometimes, one of my favorites. You've got the extra chairs over there and the flat panel TV is extra large. And in addition, you can see underneath there, you have an Xbox that comes with it. Now let's head on over to the kitchen. Right here, you have a huge eat-in bar. This is a full and complete kitchen. In fact, you can even have a chef-cooked meal in here. That is an extra fee, but it's something that can be arranged. So over here in the corner, you have your stove. So you've got a 4-burner stove and a full US size refrigerator. It comes fully stocked. You can have them stock it as you like throughout. And there's also a freezer underneath. Now, right here to my left is what they call their Dreams box. Essentially, it is your pass-through for room service. So you get that ultimate level of privacy. You don't have to run up and get the door. All you have to do is order it on the iPad. I'll show you that in just a minute. And they deliver it right here. Also, you put it there when you're done and they take it away. So a perfect exchange. Continuing along, you have a microwave. You also have a full stove. You've got a wet bar, so it's a full kitchen here. And you also have this Nespresso maker. They're gonna replenish those pods as often as you like and throughout, and then some little snacks here. Over here you have a full wine bar, and then right here with this butler's pantry, you also get this great view out even from the kitchen. Now, having a kitchen this size, it's great to have a dining room. So if you want to dine in the room, you want that air conditioning, this is that perfect place, especially for breakfast and lunch. But one of the great features about this entire living room is that all of the windows open up on the far side, behind it completely, and you get that phenomenal indoor-outdoor flow. So now we're inside the second or the guest bedroom, if you want to think about it that way. You've got luggage storage right here to my left and underneath, and you can see that this is in a 2 full queen bed configuration. You've got storage over here to my right. It has its own safe. You have your own steamer in there, and then a lot of storage area for hanging and other items as well. Especially if you want to stay here a little bit longer term, it's great that they have that. So right here you have the 2 full queen beds, and I love that on the floor they have a nice little mat, so when you step on and off, you don't step right onto the floor. Nice little touch, but you have 2 US plugs and a USB plug charging station. You're gonna have your temperature control. So each individual room in here has its own temperature control. I think that's a fantastic feature. And then you've got your remote control and your phone as well. Reading lights on both sides so that you don't have to disturb the person in the other bed. And then you're looking at this flat panel TV. Once again, when you travel with a family or you have several groups traveling together, it's great to have that complete separation and have your own TV. And even right here, you have your own desk. This is gonna be set up for 2 desks right here. You've got a USB plug and a US plug. So once again, in that scenario where you're traveling with a family or maybe a wedding with adult kids as well, this is a perfect spot for that. So just across from the bedroom is the corresponding bathroom. You've got a double vanity here. You got your magnifying mirror right there, your hairdryer that comes in every single category. I love that there's quite a few plugs in here, your scale underneath, and then right here you're gonna have your toilet, and I'll step into the full shower. So this is gonna be a full rainforest shower head. You also have a shower wand, and then the nice little chair there or bench where you can put your foot up to shave or have a seat. At the end of the hall is the master bedroom, and one of my favorite features is the door, of course. Travel with your family, having that separation is a really big bonus. Now, one thing that I love about this particular room is that the bed faces directly out, and so they've set it up so that you have a desk that faces directly out and has beautiful ocean views as well. So if you do need to work on vacation, this is perfect for that. You've got a US plug, a USB plug for charging there, and the phone. But I did want to mention the tablet. So you can utilize this throughout your stay. It's got all the information that you'll need as far as, tour information, spa, dining menus. You can also order room service on here. They're gonna deliver it through your Dreams box, and then you actually just push a button and let them know that you're done with it, and they'll take it that way as well. But keep in mind that with this particular resort, because you have Secrets right next door, which is an adults only, you can take advantage of everything that they have there as well. So if you want to look it up, you can, but that's just a great added amenity that maybe mom and dad do want an evening to get away and have an adults only dinner. That's a perfect place to add on to your stay here. Now I'm headed into the master bathroom. It's a really nice, large space. You can see that as soon as you get in here. Right here, you've got your jacuzzi soaking tub. They do provide bath salts if you'd like. Over here, you've got all the storage. You've got your safe just inside here, storage up and down. And then over here, you're gonna have more hanging storage. And then of course the robes, you can have one for every person in the room, of course, and the slippers. They do a nightly turn down service, so you're gonna get those set out each and every evening. Now right here, you have a really large double vanity. I know my wife and I always appreciate that. And I just wanted to point out the first of the Preferred Club amenities. You get a ton of them by booking a room of this caliber. First one is you get these full-size bath amenities. They have a ton of things in there, even the things you might have forgotten, like sunscreen or mosquito repellent, in addition to the shower gel and the shampoo. Thought it was really good quality at our stay here. Down below, you've got your scale, a little bit of storage, and the towels. I did want to point out that they always have this incense. I love it. It's just kind of that familiar smell if you've ever stayed at a Dreams or Secrets property. Now, as we continue along, you've got your magnifying mirror, the toilets in here, and then you have the master shower. I'm a pretty big guy. I love that I can fit completely in here. You've got the rainforest shower head, the shower wand, and then the nice little stool over in the corner. So as we head on through, there is a separate temperature control for this room, but this is the full king size bed. You've got a US plug and a USB right next to your bed. And also, this is the place where you have the do not disturb makeup room. So make sure that you hit that when you go to bed in the evening. I like it there, nice and convenient. A little bit of storage here. And on the other side, you can see as we walk over, you've got a nice bench where you can sit, put your shoes on, and get ready. And then on the other side, you also have a little charging station and another plug and light controls as well. But the best feature of this, once again, is looking out at the beautiful view. You've got your flat panel TV, you've got a chair to sit and read. You also have this large coffee table that you can utilize, and I love that they have a fan in here as well. Love that air moving. Another great feature here is the huge balcony, so follow me on out. So now I'm stepping out on the first of the two terrace areas. I do like that they have a screen here, so you can shut that, open it up, and have that nice breeze coming right off the ocean, because that's exactly what you're looking at right now. Here you have a jacuzzi soaking tub outside, once again with that beautiful view, and you have Isla Mujeres directly out in front of us and that beautiful turquoise water. Now, as we continue along, you can see that this balcony is shared with the second bedroom. So the second bedroom is just behind here. You've got a nice couch over there, and then an outdoor dining space if you want to maybe have your coffee in the morning. This is a sunrise hotel, meaning that the sun's going to come up right out in front of the resort, and you get that beautiful view in the morning. Perfect spot for a coffee. So I just stepped outside the living room to the massive, and I mean massive, ocean-facing terrace. So right here you have a ton of outdoor space. You got a huge couch right there. Perfect place for a cocktail or a cup of coffee. Right here you have some outdoor dining, so you can have that room service. Perfect place for breakfast with the sunrise right there. Over to my side, you've got two sets of seating. You've got some chairs right here, and then you've got the loungers, once again facing out at the ocean and the sunrise. And then, of course, what doesn't complete an incredible suite like this than your own private jacuzzi tub looking out at the ocean. Now, this is a Preferred Club room. I talked about that inside, but what I wanted to point out is some of those amenities are right in front of us. You've got the palapas and the bally beds. They're right out on the beach. That's something that's open to all Preferred Club guests and the ones throughout the resort as well. You have your own Preferred Club check-in, so that's just over to the side there, but it's just a great amenity to go in, have a seat, relax. There's also a bar in there, but throughout your entire stay, you're gonna find that it is a truly upgraded experience. So continuing along the terrace, you do have your own outdoor shower, corresponds with the hot tub, of course. That's a great little touch. And then right around the corner here, just wanted to point out, there's a door from the kitchen, and there's also an external door that's locked as well, where they can access this when they're setting up events and things along those lines. Now, this space is perfect. You can use the indoor and the outdoor to host your own private events, bring that chef in, have it catered, whatever it is you're looking for, or the perfect place for a family to just stretch out and enjoy, and everybody has their own privacy and space. Thank you so much for joining us. When you're ready to book this incredible suite or any suite at Dreams or Secrets throughout Mexico or the Caribbean, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AM Resorts experts. We know the space inside and out. We've done everything from honeymoons to large group events to full resort buyouts.